Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Vocabulary Learning Series, Lesson 3. So, in this class you will learn some another words to improve your vocabulary. I hope that you enjoyed and practiced previous lesson. If you did not watch our lesson 2, check the link in description. So, are you prepared for your third class? Let's start our lesson 3. See you soon.
Hello William, welcome to third class of Vocabulary Learning Series.
Hello teacher. I am very excited for my third class.
That's good William. So, without wasting any time, let's start our class.
Yes teacher.
So, our first word of today's class is abstinent. Abstinent means refraining from an activity. William, will you tell me a sentence of abstinent?
Yes, of course teacher. My sentence is, abstinence from smoking is now mandatory on commercial airlines.
Very good William. You are doing very well.
Thanks teacher.
Okay, so, our second word is abstract. And its meaning is existing in thought. So, the sentence of abstract is, hopefully the architect will be able to turn my abstract sketches into the house of my dreams.
Okay teacher, I got it.
Good. Our third word is abstruse. And its meaning is hard to understand. William, its sentence is, some of the classic novels are too abstruse for beginning readers to understand.
Thanks teacher.
Let's move towards our fourth word. And that is abysmal. Meaning of abysmal is extremely hopeless. Its sentence is, since Troy did not study for the test, he earned an abysmal score on the exam.
Thanks teacher, now I will remember.
Okay William. Our fifth word is accolade. And its meaning is an award. William, now, tell me sentence.
Okay teacher, my sentence is, he is so much intelligent that he is getting one accolade after another.
Good. Now, our last word of today's class is accost. And its meaning is to approach and speak to someone. Sentence of accost is, the policeman asked Greg to describe the man who accosted him.
Thank you teacher. I have added another 6 words in my vocabulary today.
Good William. Now, that's all for today class. See you in next class. Goodbye.
Goodbye teacher.
So, welcome back guys. I hope you enjoyed the class. Always practice these words, so as a result, your vocabulary will improve. See you in our next vocabulary learning class. Goodbye. And don't forget to like and share video. And subscribe to channel for more videos.